The best Redcat Racing RC for beginners combines durability, ease of use, and affordability, making it an ideal choice for newcomers to the hobby. The sturdy design and simple maintenance make it beginner-friendly, while the adjustable suspension ensures a smooth ride on various terrains. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Redcat Racing RC for beginners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Redcat Tornado EPX Pro is a powerful and agile RC buggy designed for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Powered by a robust 3300 kV RC540 brushless electric motor, it delivers high-speed thrills while maintaining control through a waterproof 60A electronic speed controller and a 6-kilogram steering servo. The Tornado's 2.4 GHz radio system ensures reliable communication, making it responsive and easy to handle. This latest iteration of the Tornado EPX Pro comes with a fresh, aggressive look, featuring a new body design and black 5-spoke wheels. The durable, lightweight molded plastic chassis, reinforced with an aluminum upper braceplate, provides exceptional rigidity and a low center of gravity for stable performance on any terrain. One of the key updates is the removal of the stock battery and charger, allowing users to choose their preferred 7.4V LiPo battery and charger. Redcat recommends the Hexfly 5800 MAH 7.4V LiPo battery and the Hexfly HX 4003 LiPo balance charger for optimal performance. The Tornado EPX Pro is fully customizable, with adjustable metal turnbuckles for fine-tuning camber and toe angles, and aluminum-threaded body oil-filled shocks that can be easily modified with aftermarket components. Tunable metal gear seal differentials and 4-wheel independent suspension, combined with aggressive knobby tires, ensure excellent traction and handling whether you're bashing in the yard or racing on the track. The Redcat Volcano EPX Pro is a 110 scale monster truck that's perfect for beginners, offering a blend of power, speed, and durability. This ready-to-run truck, though sold without a battery and charger, features a 3300 kV RC540 brushless electric motor and a waterproof 60A electronic speed controller, ensuring impressive performance on various terrains. The truck's design includes a lightweight molded plastic chassis with an aluminum upper braceplate for added strength, while its low center of gravity allows for nimble handling. The Volcano EPX Pro is equipped with 8 adjustable oil-filled shocks and dual-rate springs that offer excellent handling over both small bumps and large jumps. Its tunable metal gear seal differentials, 4-wheel independent suspension, and aggressive monster truck tires provide great traction across different surfaces. The adjustable metal turnbuckles allow fine-tuning of camber and toe angles, ensuring optimal performance. Aesthetic touches include a rugged body with hard plastic skid plates and sporty 10-spoke wheels with large Redcat lettering. With a wide range of aftermarket parts available, including color anodized aluminum options, the Volcano EPX Pro is highly customizable. Its combination of performance, durability, and customization options makes it one of the best-selling RTR monster trucks for beginners. The Redcat Valkyrie TR RC Off-Road Truggy is a 1/10 scale powerhouse designed to thrill beginners and experienced drivers alike. This 4S brushless Truggy combines rugged durability with high-octane performance, making it ideal for any off-road adventure. The Valkyrie TR's robust plastic blend construction, reinforced with body armor and chassis-mounted bumpers, ensures it can handle the toughest terrains. The heart of this beast is a 3670 size 1950 kV brushless motor paired with a 120 amp ESC, delivering raw power and speed, capable of handling 2S to 4S LiPo batteries. Equipped with a Hexfly torque spec digital steering servo and a precision steering rack, the Valkyrie TR offers exceptional control even in the most intense driving conditions. The high-performance drivetrain featuring 3 differentials and splined drive shafts enhances handling and maneuverability, allowing for a customizable driving experience. The Truggy's 5.1 by 2.32-inch hybrid tread tires, mounted on classic-style wheels, ensure superior traction across any terrain. With oil-filled coilover shocks and a rigid tub-style chassis reinforced by an aluminum upper brace, the Valkyrie TR is built for serious action. Whether you're tearing up dirt or dominating jumps, the Valkyrie TR offers the perfect blend of monster truck power and buggy agility. The Redcat Blackout ET Pro is the ultimate entry-level 4WD monster truck that offers a perfect blend of power, durability, and affordability. Whether you're tearing through dirt trails or racing around your backyard, this beast is designed to handle it all with ease. Powered by a robust 3800 kV RC540 brushless electric motor and backed by a waterproof 45A brushless ESC, the Blackout ET Pro ensures consistent, high-performance action no matter the terrain. Its 7.4V 3200 mAh LiPo battery pack delivers extended runtimes, while the included LiPo charger ensures you're back on track in no time. One of the standout features of the Blackout ET Pro is its innovative, bashable chassis with interchangeable components. Suspension arms, steering, hubs, hub carriers, and more are designed to be swappable across all 4 corners of the vehicle. This means fewer spare parts to stock and easier maintenance, saving you both time and money. The truck's 4-wheel independent suspension and oil-filled coilover shocks ensure smooth handling over rough terrain, keeping the vehicle steady and responsive. With its pre-assembled, ready-to-run setup, the Blackout ET Pro is perfect for beginners looking for high-octane fun without the hassle. Experience the thrill, the power, and the reliability of the Redcat Blackout ET Pro today. The Redcat Piranha TR10 stands out as the perfect entry-level RC Truggy for beginners, offering a seamless blend of affordability and performance. This 1/10 scale 2WD beast is fully ready to run, making it an ideal choice for those new to the RC world. Equipped with a high-torque, 540 brushed motor, and a waterproof 2-in-1 ESC receiver combo, the Piranha TR10 ensures both power and durability, allowing it to tackle a variety of terrains with ease. The Piranha TR10's fully adjustable suspension, generous ground clearance, and aggressive off-road tires make it perfect for tearing up tracks or dominating backyard races. The Truggy's large rear wing and robust design add stability, enhancing its high-speed performance. Whether you're navigating tight turns or sprinting on straights, the Piranha delivers with precision thanks to its full-function proportional 2.4 GHz radio system. Included in the package is a 2000 mAh NiMH battery, offering ample runtime, along with a 1A charger to keep the fun going. Even the 4 AA batteries for the transmitter are provided, making this Truggy truly ready to run right out of the box. The Redcat Piranha TR10 is more than just a beginner's RC vehicle. It's the gateway to high-octane, hobby-grade excitement. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.